Innovarius Nice Therapeutics. Positive outcomes, healthy patients, healthy practices. In the practice of veterinary medicine, we come across some very difficult cases sometimes. Many times we're just asking, is there something else, something that could really make a difference and help our patients get out of difficult situations? We found that with the Innovarius Nice Therapeutic technology, we were able to rehabilitate patients with neurologic injuries and other types of disease quickly and take them out of the wheelchair after, say, 3 to 4 weeks of therapy and see them run again. This is a patient after 6 months after a full recovery after a spinal cord injury. You know, it doesn't take rocket science. Everybody who saw that dog in a wheelchair will ask, who's your veterinarian? Needless to say, it's great for our patients and great for our practice. Here it is in the words of a certified veterinary practice manager.
My name is Kristine Berman. I'm the practice manager for 2 animal hospitals. We have been offering hyperthermia in our practices for many years, and we have a Sanawave machine. Recently, we asked our consultant team to do an evaluation on the profitability of Sanawave in our practice, and we found that in 2017, it had a significant positive impact on our net profit margin. In fact, we found that it has become a very reliable profit center of its own. This is in addition to the positive impacts it's had on the profit centers of surgery, hospitalization, diagnostic imaging, and laboratory. So as a practice manager, I've been very excited about what this has brought to our business. This is also in addition to the positive impact on the staff. We have a very dedicated team of technicians and doctors who get to see their patients that have presented with lameness or paralysis walk again. And our patients with cancer get increased quality time with their family, and that means everything to us. So all in all, this has been a win-win, and we are so proud to have Sanawave at our practices.
Once you use it in your practice, you'll realize that it's clinically addicting. It's really hard to imagine ever working without one again. What do other veterinarians have to say about it?
Hi, my name is Dr. Tanya Curtis, and I am just here to give you a quick informational video about Sanawave. Dr. Nunez was kind enough to introduce me to his technology about 3 years ago, and when I see people and talk to veterinarians and colleagues, it's really hard to express how amazing this technology is. I was a doubting Thomas when it first occurred. I was put in touch with Dr. Nunez just by a leap of faith from another colleague, a specialist, and they said, you might want to check into this. And so I did and called him, and he presented me with our little magic box, and it's been an amazing journey so far. We use Sanawave, which is radio wave frequency therapy, in almost every scenario. It's an amazing tool of healing, and we do it in adjuvant with natural healing, traditional medicine, and we actually tried it for about 3 weeks, and I told Dr. Nunez, man, I don't know, I love the technology, but you know, there's a price point, etc. And he took it away, and then my clients were like, what? Can we have it back? We need it back. And I was like, okay, we're on to something here. So Sanawave we named ours, we named her Jocelyn, so she has a name. She's my little black box that has used applications in GI medicine, releasing heat shock proteins, healing in general wounds and severe cases of infection. We had a police dog who was injured catastrophically by an assailant and ended up with a bone infection in his spine and was paralyzed. We were able to treat him, of course, with antifungals, but it was really the Sanawave. The specialist just gave him really no hope because that bone was infected with a fungus. And so it really made, the dog was able to walk and retire without having to be euthanized, which was amazing. I've done a study with osteoarthritis. Every patient has improved in some way, shape, or form. We use it in meningitis. We use it in pancreatitis. I use it in inflammatory bowel in cats. We use it in cancer therapy to attack tumors that would otherwise not be resectable. I could go on and on and on, and a lot of people just look at me with this blank stare, but I can tell you that it has made practicing, saving lives, stomping out disease, even more joyful. And I know that the R&D, the learning, the application is just phenomenal, and it is the wave of the future. So I'm always happy to answer any questions or talk to anybody about this technology and what it's done for us and our practice. So I hope you have a great day, and I will hopefully be able to put up some YouTube videos with some positive case outcomes, etc., etc. So have a great day and enjoy Sanawave.
Nice Therapeutics are non-invasive cellular electroceuticals for reduction of inflammation and return of normal function. The medical arts are changing rapidly. If you want to know the secrets of medicine, then think in terms of how energy, frequency, polarity, and vibration affect phase transitions of water in bodies on a nano and on a macro scale. Increased knowledge of phase transitions and their role in biology and how radio frequencies affect them are going to revolutionize medicine. What you saw here means nothing if it can't be reproduced in your animal hospital. Call us and ask us about our research licenses. We have an ongoing pain and neurologic study looking for animals with neurologic symptoms such as loss of function, pain, or anesthesia, or loss of proprioceptive deficits. We're here to serve. Nice Therapeutics, nice horse.